In this video we're going to make up a batch of wheat paste. Put a couple of inches of cold water in a saucepan and gradually bring to the boil. Place a heat-proof bowl above the boiling water and using wheat paste powder from a bookbinding supply store or wheat starch from, this one's from the Chinese grocery store. You can use a ratio of 1 to 6, so 1 tablespoon of the powder and 6 tablespoons of cold tap water. This is going to make a fairly thick paste, so you want to adjust the ratio based on the thickness of the paste that you like. So whisk the water and the wheat paste powder together so there's no lumps, and continually whisk until it starts to thicken. You can see bubbles outside the bowl. That's from the saucepan, the boiling water. The paste itself never comes to a boil. Whisk periodically, and after 5 minutes the paste is starting to thicken. It looks like heavy or double cream at this point. Now you may like this consistency. Personally, I like it to be thicker because I use it to make book cloth, so I leave it another 2 minutes and it becomes considerably thicker. As you'll see now when I lift it off the paintbrush, it barely comes off. So it's more like a mayonnaise consistency. So when you're happy with the consistency, take it off the heat and allow to cool a little while before using. And this can be stored for a couple of days in the refrigerator. And to use again while it's been in the refrigerator, I pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds with a little extra water and give it another whisk to get rid of lumps. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.